Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on my computer. Tutorial 19, sending a direct message. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, and this computer works for the business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications. Let's just go to Yammer. And now let's just wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, the main purpose of this tutorial is to send a direct message. If we go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on Inbox, and now click on New Private Message. I can add people. So if I were to add the main account, this is who I will be directing the message at. Hello, post. And this will be within the private messages. If I now minimize Google Chrome for the moment, now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Safari. If I go to my inbox from the main account, I can see the admin has sent across a message to me. If I click on this, hello, let's now write something back. Post. And we are having a conversation as part of the social media posting to the profile. So let's now minimize Safari. Let's go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Let's click on the private messages, and we can now see the response from the main account back at me. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.